Hello everyone. So today I'll guide you through all the ventilation modes of the AVA ventilator and the settings that we have on the ventilator. Once you have the breathing circuit all set, please check that the ambu bag is always placed inside the bag chamber. During the ventilation, it is important to make sure that the cover is always closed and tightly locked. As you can see, there are three modes of ventilation. Let's start with the assist mode. Use the control knob to select the assist mode and press the knob. In the assist mode, there is only one parameter, that is the tidal volume, which is displayed as VT. Press OK to confirm the ventilation settings and to start the ventilation. Patient attempts to trigger a breath, the machine will take over and deliver a full set tidal volume. This mode is ideal for muscle rest and recovery because the patient does not have to work so hard and merely just have to initiate or trigger the breath and ventilator does the rest. Assist control mode is basically a hybrid mode in between assist mode and volume control mode. Here we need to set the three parameters, which is the tidal volume, respiratory rate and I ratio, which will work as a backup ventilation in the event where the patient does not trigger the breath. As you can see, the machine still delivers the backup rate at the set tidal volume, I ratio and respiratory rate. The volume control mode, the ventilator will deliver pressurized air into the patient's lungs at a fixed settings, that is the tidal volume, I ratio and the respiratory rate.